So basic things to know about ME engine backup lubricator. As you can see, this is a backup cable for lubrication. I know that all ME engine have this cable on board. This cable used for during emergency connected to the MPC junction 52 or channel 52. Our example is from MEC engine, which a cable connected to ECU A or B. As you can see, the circled red is the location of channel 52 or junction 52, which be connected to our emergency backup cable. Again, this is example of MEC engine that when CCU fail, the MPC use is from ECU A and ECU B. As stated, when the CCU fail and cannot be changed immediately, the cable will be connected on the ECU junction 52 or plug 52. Then the lubrication will be with the random timing and when connected the cable temporarily. In this drawing, we have a ECU side and a solenoid valve side. The solenoid will be disconnected and replaced with the backup cable. In case of emergency, when the CCU, whichever the cylinder fail, and the other side of the cable, which connected to the ECU, junction 52 or channel 52. And again, the backup cable used for lubrication is in case of emergency situation when the main lubrication fail of the CCU, cylinder 1 or any cylinder. This picture shown on the engine side in the lubrication located. In the arrow red is supposed to be the solenoid valve. In the MEC engine MOP, you go to the maintenance system UIO test. You see in the channel 52 is for backup lubrication. Again, this photo or this example is from MEC engine, which you connected the backup lubrication wire or cable to the MPC of ECU A or B. And the other side of the cable is connected to engine side lubricator solenoid valve. In the MEB engine, MOP, you go to the maintenance and system view IO test. As you can see, it's a different from MEC engine. In the MEB, the backup lubricator is on the channel 51 or junction 51 on the MPC of CCU number 1 cylinder to number 5 cylinder. But in the other information, the MEB engine is when in case of emergency, the backup lubricator is you connect to the EICU on junction 52 or channel 52. But in my experience with the MEB engine, the backup lubricator is located to the CCU1, CCU2, CCU3, and the CCU5 channel 51. So it is clear that when you have a trouble of the FIBA or the lubrication system, on the main lubrication, you connect the backup lubricator cable to the junction 51 on the MEB engine that I experienced. Also, this is the example of MEB MOP monitor when you go to maintenance and system view IO test. Then select on CCU which cylinder was be affected. For reminders, When you connect the backup lubrication cable to the MPC, which working normal, because you use this in emergency situations such as when the PIVA valve failed and the fuel line of the PIVA valve cut out or the cylinder condemned due to no available spare on board of PIVA valve. But when you condemn the cylinder and the CCU MPC working normally, then the backup cable is no need to use.